guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to share to you a Python course. These are the topics that I'll be covering for this Python course. First is we're going to have Introduction to Python Programming, Getting Started with Python, wherein I'm going to show you how to install the application program, Conditional Branching, Importing Libraries in Python. Then, if we reach this far, we're going to create a simple project. We're also going to cover string manipulation in Python, datetime, file handling, data structures, which includes tuples, lists, and dictionaries, user-defined functions, sending emails. We're going to look into tricks in Python, operating systems in Python, exception handling, and we're going to cover also databases in Python using SQLLITE. So I'll give you an introduction of what Python is and how it will help us in creating our program much easier. Okay. So what is Python? Python is an interpreter. Python is it's similar with Perl and PHP if you have program in those languages. It does not need to be compiled. All you need to do is for you to have a compiler installed on your computer. It's also interactive in which you could automatically see the output. We have here what you call the prompt, which allows us to simply type a command and then Python will just interpret it and give us the result. Python is also an object-oriented programming language. Okay, so it enables us to use encapsulations within our codes. Python is a beginner's language. If you have worked with Java and C, you could easily adapt to Python. Okay, so what are the features of Python? Number one, it's easy to learn. The keywords and syntaxes are straightforward. Okay, students could as easily, or not just students, but also anyone who would like to learn programming could easily adapt to the syntaxes available in Python. It's also easy to read. The Python codes are clearly defined and visible to the eyes. It is also easy to maintain. Python source codes are fairly easy to maintain. It has a wide number of libraries. And it's also cross-platform compatible. You could work with Linux, Windows, and with the Mac here. Now, as I mentioned earlier, it has this interactive mode wherein the user could just test and debug scripts within that window. It's portable, in which you could switch it with different platforms, and the interface is the same through all the platforms. Second is that it's also extendable, wherein you could add low-level modules to Python interpreters. These modules enables programmers to add customized tools to make their program more efficient and more efficient to their program that they're creating. It also has integration to databases. Okay, so that's also good as a programming language. And you can also create GUI programming, in which case it supports buttons and other types of windows. And last is Python is also scalable, wherein it provides a better structures and support for large programs than shell scripting. So as we go along, I'll be discussing to you all the features here, and then all the functionalities that we could take advantage using the Python course. So I hope you stick with the course, and that's all for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we install the Python program. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.